Ordnance Factory Day. Ordnance Factory Day is celebrated annually on March 18th. It commemorates the establishment of the first ordnance factory in India in 1801. The day honors the contributions of ordnance factories to national defense. Ordnance factories produce a variety of arms, ammunition, and equipment for the armed forces. It acknowledges the dedication and skill of workers involved in defense production. Ordnance Factory Day events include ceremonies, exhibitions, and employee recognition programs. The day underscores the importance of self-reliance in defense manufacturing. It highlights the role of indigenous defense industries in ensuring national security. Ordnance Factory Day promotes innovation and modernization in defense technology. Observing this day acknowledges the critical role of ordnance factories in safeguarding the nation.